Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new video in which I will show you the basics of Unity editor that will help you a lot in your game development journey. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on any precious information. So without any delay, let's get straight into it. The first step is to create a new project in the Unity Hub. If you don't have Unity installed, then check the links below to install Unity and come back after that to continue learning. First, we will open the Unity Hub and click New Project to create a new project. We will use the Universal RP 2D for this project as it is a 2D game. Name your project what you want and select where you want to create your project. Click Create. It will take some time to create and open the project. Once the project is open, you will see the main editor layout. This is where the magic happens. The main editor is divided into several key areas. Now this might look a bit complicated, but don't worry, everything will become clear as you progress. For now, I will try to explain some basic things, so let's start. On the left side, you will find the hierarchy window. This is a list of all game objects in your current scene. It is structured like a tree, making it easy to see parent-child relationships between objects. To create a basic game object, right-click on the hierarchy window, 2D object, sprites, circle. Now you can see that the circle is created. This is the scene view. It's like a canvas where you can interact with the game objects and direct the game's progression just like a movie director. This is the game view. This shows you how the game will look from the player's perspective. Any changes made in the scene view will reflect here. Now, click on the circle game object to select it and take a look at the right side of the screen. You will see the Aspector tab. This is where you can edit the properties of a game object. These foldable tools are components added to the game object. For instance, we have two components on the circle game object. One is a transform and other is the sprite renderer. Transform component is default to every game object and determines its position, rotation and size, here called scale. The sprite renderer component here draws an image or sprite on the screen. In this case, a sprite of a circle. This is the project window. It shows all the assets that are used in the process of game creation. Here, go to the three dots and select one column layout. It looks a lot cleaner and more meaningful than the two column layout. Beside this is the console window. It shows all errors and warnings in the game and in your code. Any logs printed during gameplay are shown here. Now you are aware of the Unity editor's layout. Now it is time to edit this layout and get the most out of it. If you drag any of the tabs here, you can see that it pops out like this. You can place it anywhere you think it is suitable. Now let's move these tabs and create our own custom layout. This is the layout I personally prefer to use. To save this layout, go to Layout tab on the top right corner. Click Save Layout, give it a name and click Save. Now you can apply this layout by going to the Layout tab. Also, you can check out some pre-built layouts. Now we are ready and all set to create a real game and learn the art of game development. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more amazing content, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video or learned something new. Thank you all for watching. This was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.